I spelled my name wrong.
What do you mean?
They did one T.
One T? Is it two T's? Want me to say, I'm Keith and this is Elliott, E-L-L-I-O-T-T, so everybody knows?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, I'm Keith and this is my pal Elliott. We both were born with a congenital heart defect. 1 out of every 100 kids is born with a congenital heart defect. For some of those kids, they develop heart disease at an early age, like I did. You remind me of somebody.
Who?
Kids like my pal Elliott are why I will be walking at the Southern Tier Heart Walk. I'm joining the fight to help find a cure for congenital heart defects and to combat heart disease. Join me Sunday, April 10th at the SUNY Broome Ice Center. Register online today and form a fundraising team at southerntierheartwalk.org.
See you there.